Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad 700. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're facing issues with some keys not responding on your Lenovo Ideapad 700, you're not alone. This problem often arises due to dust or debris getting trapped beneath the keys or a malfunctioning keyboard connector. If left unaddressed, it can hinder your productivity and lead to further complications down the line. To tackle this issue, you'll need a few tools, a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a new keyboard if replacement is necessary. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Lay the laptop on a flat surface, and using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws on the back panel. Be sure to keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. Gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel, taking care to avoid damaging any clips. Once the panel is off, locate the keyboard connector. It's usually situated near the center of the laptop. Carefully disconnect the connector by lifting the locking tab gently. If you notice that the keyboard is damaged or malfunctioning, now is the time to replace it. Remove any screws securing the keyboard in place, and gently lift it out. When installing the new keyboard, align it properly and secure it with screws. Reconnect the keyboard connector, ensuring it's firmly in place. Remember to replace the back panel, pressing it down until it clicks back into position. Then, reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Finally, power on your Lenovo Ideapad 700 and check that all keys are functioning correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, make sure to keep your laptop clean and free from dust. Regularly checking for debris and keeping your workspace tidy can make a significant difference. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.